Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM course. At that point, actually, I realized that I lost some face here. So we need to handle that face. So to be able to handle that stuff, actually, I just need to open my SolidWorks part again. So this is actually my face. Okay, let me delete that stuff here. And then we just need to open all my SolidWorks part. So when we turn to here, I just need to turn to all parts, and then I just need to double click on this stuff. Okay. So after that, we're gonna get that kind of actually solid model. After that, actually, we turn to isometric perspective here, and we need to change to our actually B and C plane. And then we can turn to the transform and rotate options, select my model and rotate it, and then we can turn to the top view, and then we can turn to the top view again and clear color options, and then we can turn to the wireframe and bounding box options, and then select our model and to create my model. And after that, we can create line and points to create my and diagonal line and transform and move the origin, and then we just need to select the midpoint of that line. Okay, that part is quite important anyway, and we can use the clear color as well. After that, we can select, oops, almost forgot that we can also see the same problem here. Let me use the on the options. So actually, while we are rotating and we are losing to our face, that's quite interesting. Let me turn back to isometric perspective again and rotate, and we can select all the parts here by changing to actually our C plane, of course. Yeah, okay. It's here right now. Okay. So we can turn to the top view again. Yeah, that's fine. After that, we can turn to the wireframe and bounding box options and select all my solid model and hit the OK button. And then we can easily create our boundary and transform and move the origin. And then we can select the midpoint here. And then we can use the and clear color button. Okay, it's ready right now. So after that, maybe we should need to use actually and surface from solid options, and after that actually to be able to handle the solid selection, we can unselect this part, and then we can select all my solid body. And then actually it's easy to create our and faces by using that stuff. So we can select all my face, and then we can turn to here. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me delete this part. This is my solid model. I delete the solid model. And then we can select all that part and the face, of course. And then we can unselect this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then we can hit the delete button. After that, let me save that file. Okay, it's saved as XXX. And then let me turn to actually my main folder. And then it's open right now. I just need to turn back to the view and shape view. Yeah, that's perfect. We can also turn to the top view. Okay, after that, let me save my file again. And then we just need to use the merge options and the file and the merge options. And then we select the XXX and file, and you're gonna see that it's here right now. Okay, we can select my solid model, and then we can use the right mouse button and then hit the level button, and then we can reactivate and we can send my solid model to level 2. And then we can hit the level buttons here and we can make them unselect like this. Okay, we can turn to here. Okay, and then actually this is the solid model. We can turn to the surface, and we can hit the surface from solid, and then we can we can turn to the solid body selection, not face, and then we can select the solid model to be able to create our surface. And then according to that perspective, it's created automatically. And then actually we can easily select the and solid model and delete it. Maybe we should also change the color. We can select all my face, turn to the color options, and then maybe we should create and that's kind of color. Anyway, we can activate and this part actually, as you can see. So to be able to handle this stuff, we also need to delete this one, and this one. And then we can activate this part. Oops, sorry. Yes. Okay, everything seems fine. So it's okay. Okay, that's fine. And we can see all my face here. It's already be and created. And then we can also use the right mouse button, and then we can easily change the color here, and all of them is ready right now. So yeah, that's a quite common problem. You can solve that problem and easily.